Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your taskbar transparent in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's dive in. To start, we need to download a free app called Translucent TB. You can find it either on Google Chrome or directly in the Microsoft Store. Go ahead and launch the app. Then automatically, your taskbar transparent. If you like the default look of your search bar, you can leave it as is. But if you want it to look a little cleaner, here's a simple trick. Right-click on the taskbar, go to Search, and then select Show Search icon. This will replace the search bar with a small magnifying glass icon, giving your taskbar a more streamlined appearance. Now, let's center the taskbar icons for a more symmetrical look. Right-click on the taskbar again and go to Toolbars, then select Links. You'll see links appear on the taskbar. Drag it all the way to the left side. Once that's done, grab the taskbar icons and drag them to the center of your screen. Finally, right-click again and select Lock All Taskbars to keep everything in place. And there you have it. A beautifully transparent and centered taskbar in Windows 10 or 11. It's a simple way to make your desktop look more modern and organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.